Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at home. One class, it's your science lesson. Today we are going to start unit number 5. 4 units we have done. Today we are going to start unit number 5. Its name, keeping safe. What is its name? Keeping safe. Today we are going to learn in this chapter which things are dangerous for us, okay, and how we can keep ourselves safe, okay. If we see on this page number 23, they are saying some things are dangerous for us if you play with them. Some things are dangerous for us if we play with them. If we see, there is a switch. When class switch is made for playing? No, it is नॉट मेड फॉर प्लेइंग. इसको हम यूज़ करते हैं और कोई चीज़ ऑन कर लेते हैं. येस, अगर हम इसके अंदर कोई नेल ऐड कर देंगे, कील, तो फिर क्या होगा? एंड इफ़ वी प्ले विद दिस, हमें क्या होगा? वन क्लास करंट लग सकता है. सो we should not touch this switch. It is dangerous for us. We should not play with it. Next one is knife. Knife is made for cutting things, but when you are going to play with knife, हमारी हैंड पे लग सकती है. So one class, what should we do? We should not touch knife. Then there is fire, matchbox, tablets. These things are not made for playing. Okay, इन चीज़ों को हम यूज़ करके फ़ौरन से छोड़ देते हैं. इनके साथ प्ले नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हम रूम में चले गए और वहाँ जाके हमने मैच बॉक्स चलाना स्टार्ट कर दी, तो क्या होगा? वन क्लास, किसी भी कपड़े को आग लग जाएगी. सो इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर अस. It is dangerous for us when we are going to play with this matchbox. Tablets को हम खाते हैं, और अगर हम क्या करेंगे? इसके साथ प्लेइंग कर रहे हैं, इनको हैंड में मेडिसिन पकड़ी और वही हैंड अपने हम माउथ पे लगा रहे हैं, then it is not good for us. So these things dangerous for us. Next one is safety at home. There are things that we should save ourselves from these things. Keep away from these things at home. When you see at any place there is a broken glass, कोई शीशा टूटा हुआ है, तो वन क्लास आपको उसके करीब नहीं जाना चाहिए. अगर आप जाओगे तो what will happen? Yes, आपको वो शीशा लग जाएगा और आप हर्ट हो जाओगे, आपको ज़ख्म हो जाएगा ना. येस, सो वी शुड नॉट टच ब्रोकन ग्लास. वी शुड नॉट go near broken glass. If there is iron and it is on, we should not touch with it. Then what you can see there is a bottle, and what they have draw there is an insect. It's mean there is something that we use to kill these insects, so we should not touch this. It is not good for us. Next one is pan that is on stove, and there is oil and it is very hot. So one class, we should not touch and we should not go near these things that are not good for us. Okay, now one class, we are on page number 24. If we see there, they have told us safety near water. When we are near these things, we should not play there. They are saying never play near ponds, lakes and rivers. One class, जहाँ water होगा उसके पास हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We should not play there. अगर हम वहाँ play करेंगे तो what will happen? One class, हम उसके अंदर water के अंदर गिर सकते हैं. So we should not play near ponds, lakes and rivers. Next one, safety on the road. When we are going to cross the road, what should we do? One class, we should see if road is clear, there is no traffic on the road, then we should cross the road. If we will not take care, what will happen? We may get hurt. हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है. So when we are on the road, we should cross the road very carefully to keep ourselves from any mishap. So we should use safety rules to keep ourselves safe. Yes, one class. Now we are on page number 25. There is exercise. They are saying put a cross on the picture which shows our dangerous activity. हमने वन क्लास उन पिक्चर्स को क्रॉस करना है जो हमें क्या कर रही हैं, डेंजरस एक्टिविटी शो कर रही हैं. If we see first one picture, there are two kids who are playing a game. Yes, so this game is not dangerous for us. Or it is dangerous. Is anything that is dangerous there? No, there is nothing. So we will not cross this picture. They are saying put a cross on the picture which shows a dangerous activity. So we will not cross first one picture. Then come on the second one picture. There is a lady that is playing piano. It is also not dangerous for us. Yes, so we will not. What we will not do? We will not cross it. Come on third one. There is a boy who is playing with matchbox. Oh, it is very dangerous for this boy. So we will cross this one picture. Okay. Next one, there is a boy. Can you see? He is near broken glass and he is going to hurt. So it is dangerous. We will cross this one picture. Come on. Fifth one, there is a girl who is hiding behind fridge. It is not good for us. It is not good place to hide. So we will cross this one picture. Okay, one class. I hope you have understood. It's your lesson. Now one class, I have prepared an assignment for you related to keeping safe. Okay. On this worksheet, what we are going to do, they are saying making safe choices. Listen for direction. If we see this one picture, they have drawn on one side smiley face and on the next one side they have draw sad face. And if we see under sad face, अगर हम sad face पे pictures देखें, one class, these are every picture that they have drawn there that is dangerous for us. Okay, so what we will do, if we see on the right side they have drawn some pictures that is not dangerous for us. इन्होंने करेक्ट पिक्चर्स बनाई हैं. इफ़ वी सी दिस वन स्विच, इन प्लग में एक ही स्विच उन्होंने डाला हुआ है. इट इज़ नॉट डेंजरस फॉर अस. तो हमने क्या करना है वन क्लास, वी विल कट दिस पिक्चर्स एंड वी विल पेस्ट अंडर स्माइली फेस. ठीक है, और करेक्ट पिक्चर रॉन्ग पिक्चर के हमने सामने कट करके लगानी है. Okay, one class, it's your assignment. You will solve this one. I hope you have understood how you can keep yourself safe. आज हमने जो सेफ्टी रूल्स पढ़े हैं, which things we should not touch. आपने one class you will be careful when you will see these things. You will not touch that things and you will not go near that things that are not good for us. Okay, one class, I hope you have understood. You are very good students. अच्छे से काम करना है. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Goodbye.